The Philippines sends a team to help in rescue operations in quake-hit Myanmar. The government also vows assistance for Filipino victims. Paolo Barcelon reports.
Two Philippine Air Force C-130 transport aircraft took off from Manila past 4 o'clock this morning, carrying the first batch of the Philippines' 131-person contingent to quake-hit Myanmar. Among them are experts in rescue medicine and disaster response, such as Lieutenant Colonel Erwin Diploma, the contingent's commander. Diploma also led the Philippines disaster contingent during the 2023 Turkey earthquakes.
So our deployment for this foreign deployment, especially for our USAR, for a collapse structure, this is one way for us to assess ourselves, how prepared we are, how technically with regards to equipment and personnel readiness.
Meron po kaming sa amin bilang aeromedical evacuation team, handa po tayong mag-assist doon sa mga Pilipino na magre-repatriate. Hindi lang po doon, kundi pati rin po mag-assist doon din po sa mga kababayan natin.
Diploma says the team will focus on their mandate to help in rescue operations, regardless of who they are tasked to help. He adds they will perform their job despite the ongoing civil war in the country. Civil Defense Chief Ariel Nepomuceno says the contingent was sent as part of the country's commitment to help its ASEAN neighbors. He adds, while finding missing Filipinos is one of their goals, the mission will depend upon the needs of rescue personnel on the ground.
Yung tactical deployment doon ay magbabase na doon sa plano ng ating counterpart sa area. Tinutulungan din tayo pagdating sa area ng ating Department of Foreign Affairs at yung military, yung DAFA natin, yung depensa attaché natin doon sa area.
DFA Undersecretary Eduardo De Vega also tells Billionaire News Channel's On Point the government is allocating over 5.7 million pesos to provide assistance to Filipino victims.
Aside from helping out affected citizens in Myanmar, the Philippine contingent to the said country is also aiming to learn from global best practices in emergency medicine and disaster response. These are skills that can prove vital should the Philippines experience the so-called big one.
So itong gagawin nila dito, parang preparasyon din yan kung tayo ay magkaroon ng big one sa Metro Manila. Kasi yung the ones that are, ang PMAT natin, isang Metro Manila, yung Jose Rodriguez, isang Pampanga, yung sa JB Lingad, at isang Eastern Visayas. At ngayon, nagte-train din yung aming Cebu at saka Mindanao.
The contingent brought with them 8 tons of equipment, supplies, and food provisions for the team, with a second flight to Myanmar scheduled for April 2nd. The group is expected to stay in Myanmar until April 12th, but can be extended if necessary. Paolo Barcelon, Billionaire News Channel.